Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel in Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix the issue of slow keyboard response. So if your keyboard is working slow, so we will fix this today. So firstly, you have to go to step 1 and you have to just type in the search bar settings and click on the system settings, and then at here you have to just go to the ease of access, and in ease of access in the left side menu you have to scroll down and go to the keyboard section, and here it is. You have go to the use filter keys. Yeah, here it is. You have to just on this. You have to just check this feature should be off. If it is on your laptop, so kindly turn it off. This will help you to speed up your keyboard. If it doesn't work, so you have to go to the step 2. Step 2, in step 2 you have to just type run command on search bar and click enter, and you have to write control keyboard query on run command and click on OK. So this dialog box will open. You have to check the repeat rate. It should be on maximum, on fast side. If it slower or low less than fast, so you have to drag it and to make to it to the fast level and click on apply and then OK. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so in step 3 you have to just type command prompt cmd and click on run as administrator, and then you have to click on yes. So in command prompt you have to just copy this query and paste it on the cmd. Don't worry, I will attach this query in the description of my video as well. You can copy it from there. So just click enter. So when you click enter, it will start uploading. Here deployment image servicing management tool image version. So below this it will be start uploading. It takes time a little bit. So when it's take time, so we will move to the step 4. In step 4 we have to go to the device manager. So in step 4 you have to just go to the device manager. In device manager you have to find the keyboard option. Here it is, keyboards. So in keyboards you have to find this keyboard as well. So you have to just click on it and click on update driver. By doing these 4 steps, you will make sure your issue will be fixed. You have to just click on browse my computer drivers and then select this option. Let me pick from a list of available, and then you have to click on this keyboard that is showing on your device manager, and then click on next. So it will be installed and your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly like it and share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.